Charlie, thank you for today. That was an amazing interview.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
awesome.
You.
And if you ever want to whiz my Khalifa, you...
Right there. Bless you. Okay, wait, I think that fixed it.
Well, I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh, no.
Is your life like Entourage? You got your mates hanging out with you at all these different things? Bless you.
That's never happened before in an interview. I apologize.
No, it's my first sneeze as well.
No, it's not like that.
This side so I can make it up the door.
We were really nice. I know you. I know you.
Sneeze
are.
Great.
Let's do it. Amazing. I mean,
Sit down because
very simple.
Okay.
you go the same way as what your elbow
Yeah,
goes.
like about maybe 500 meters.
Yeah.
At least 20,000 meters.
Yeah.
No.
My favorite thing to do. Excuse me. My favorite thing to do is sneeze.
Dancing to Worth It.
Bless you.
Follow my friend Tiffany.
Yeah.
What's your comment? So C-O-M-E-T.
Bless you.
Bless you in advance.
Bless you.
Dancing to Worth It.
Bless you.
Follow my friend Tiffany.
Yeah.
What's your comment? So C-O-M-E-T.
Bless you.
Bless you in advance.
Bless you.
Dancing to Worth It.
Bless you.
Follow my friend Tiffany.
Yeah.
What's your comment? So C-O-M-E-T.
Bless you.
Bless you in advance.
Bless you.
Best of luck with your launch.
Thank you. Pardon, excuse me. Woo! There you go.
Thank you so much.
You want a picture?
Yeah, if that's possible. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet
And I
you.
hope that works.
Thank you.
Oh, baby girl. Hi, Katie. Hello. What's your name?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god.